Let's face it, if you're doing anything online, you need high-quality graphics, images, and visual content that attracts buyers' attention and converts them into lifetime happy customers. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, an email marketer, a product creator, a blogger, a website owner, a webinar presenter, a SaaS product owner, or almost anyone working in the digital marketing universe, you can't ignore the huge worth of using artificial intelligence to create stunning graphics for your offers at any cost. But there are two big problems on your way ahead. One, most of the tools available are either too expensive or way more complicated to use. Two, hiring expensive freelancers and getting quality output from them takes tons of time, effort, and even then the results are not satisfactory. Now, if you too are looking to get all these benefits, stop and pay close attention to what I'm about to say. In this short video, you'll discover a brand new artificial intelligence-based technology, 100% newbie-friendly, that helps anyone have their own Canva-style graphic design platform without having to do anything themselves or without paying thousands of dollars to third-party platforms or hiring expensive freelancers that charge like crazy. If that fascinates you, we've got something huge that'll blow away your minds completely. Introducing Pixa Ai. First to universe, Adobe Firefly Tech builds your own Canva-like graphics editor with 1 million plus graphics to start your own graphic agency, edit and sell to hordes of hungry customers in just 3 clicks for a low one-time price. Finally, you too can say goodbye to existing expensive graphic creation platforms and use this AI tech to make $378 bare minimum with no prior graphic design or other Photoshop skills. And ultimately have tons of audience glued to your offers like Fortune 500 companies without ever getting sued for using copyrighted images. All you need to do is follow 3 easy steps. Step 1, get access. Step 2, create. Step 3, publish and profit. And you're all set to rock and roll without any prior tech or marketing skills, without investing huge sums of money, or without creating even a single image yourself. Here are some of its amazing features. World's first AI-based technology to have your own Canva-like graphics editor for a low one-time fee. First of its kind technology loaded with 1 million plus pre-built stunning, industry-leading visual graphics to sell to hordes of hungry audience globally. Say goodbye to expensive platforms like Canva, Shutterstock, iStock once and for all. Create high-converting posts for major social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many more. Instantly build high-converting ads and marketing banners for any offer in any niche. Access the biggest library of pre-created templates and editing tools to help you fine-tune them like a pro. Packed with variety of typography options for customized text, including font style, color, and font size. 100% newbie-friendly, fully cloud-based software with no technical skills or designing experience needed, and tons of other benefits in store. Take my word, Pixa AI enables you to create professional-level visual assets, giving you an instant advantage over your competition. Now, I'm sure you're definitely thinking how much this is going to cost. We can easily charge $197 per month because there's a huge cost involved in this masterpiece. But the good news is, you can get all this now for a bare minimum price that's never seen before. Yep, we're offering this crazy technology for only pennies on the dollar, but only during the launch period. And yes, there's no recurring monthly fee or any hidden charges involved. But please don't close this page and come back later because the price is going up fast. And you're covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's literally no risk involved. Now, what's the point of waiting? Click the button below now to lock in your copy of Pixa AI at this cool discounted price and claim your bonuses before the price goes up. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.